going on, guys? We're back, exact same place. I didn't move. Time to make that license plate video that I said I was gonna make in the original video. So I guess I'm showing my license plate. Hopefully y'all don't track me down or some shit. Don't be weird. Yeah, so here's the back of it. Like I said, two like pronged kind of system. They go into those two holes that I mentioned, so I'm just gonna kind of show how the whole thing works. It's extremely convenient. I will put in the description the name of the whole thing and everything. Well, you can kind of see it there, Stow and Show. So it's extremely handy because if I ever go to the track or a bunch of cruises or even like just a park and chill and you don't want the front plate on, all you have to do is just slip it off. Pull the pin, take it out, throw it in the car, done. It's extremely easy. So let me show you guys how this works, all right? So just like how I said in the intro video, I can't see because of the sun, bro. Oh. Alright, so there's the actual whole thing. It's no more than like a 2x1 kind of size. It's extremely small, very handy. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, but it's probably not gonna work. Yeah, so like I said, you take it. There we go. You're gonna slide it in. Now, once it's in, obviously you would be doing this with two hands. I'm gonna do some weird stuff with my foot. But anyways, pin's right there. I'm gonna pull the pin out, which opens it. Slide the license plate in, let go of the pin, and boom, it locks. Now, I set mine up just so that it just misses. I do have to take it on the highway still and see if it can get pushed back far enough with the wind. I don't think it will though. It's pretty sturdy if I'm being honest. That thing is not coming off unless you pull the pin. Yeah, it's honestly probably one of the best things I've ever bought in terms of license plate holders, because on the 135 we did have it going in the tow hook, which I found extremely annoying, especially the winters we get here. Damn. That shit is annoying. It was all rusty. It got extremely hard to take out and put back in because of the rust. Like, it was just not happening. I was not happy with it at all. So we got this one. So far I'm loving it. We'll see how it survives in the winter. Like I said, I did put the screw in. It's optional. I did put it in though just because I don't want to risk the cold weather messing up the tape, the double-sided tape, and it randomly falling off on the highway. Now there goes my front bumper as I drive over it and the underneath of the car. So I said I'd play it safe. I really didn't want to drill into the front bumper, but you gotta do what you gotta do. It's not noticeable at all. That's the nice part too. So when you take off the license plate, nobody can actually see it unless they're literally looking for it. But I think we'll be good. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed that quick little video. Like I said, I'll put in the description if you guys want. They do make it for all car brands and models. There might be like the one or two very rare ones that wouldn't work, but I don't see why you couldn't just get another one that's quite similar and do a little DIY if you have to. But yeah, appreciate you guys. Love y'all. Enjoy the rest of your lives. See you on the next video.